Ito yung lagi kong sinasabi sa mga student ko inside our paid community that you must post consistently. Now, you may be thinking, paano yun? And the truth is, I batch my content. And that's how I'm able to create so much content in a short period of time. And that's how I'm able to remain consistent across multiple social media platforms. So, if you would like to learn how to achieve something similar, stick with me because bibigyan kita ng 7 ideas na pwede mong i-duplicate every single week para di ka na mahirapan mag-isip ng content at you can directly duplicate this also sa church social media nyo. This is like a cheat guide that you can able to leverage para mas maging efficient ka at mas marami ka pang ma-post sa church social media nyo. Without further ado, let's get started.
In this video, I will be giving away a 7-day church content for you guys para hindi na kayo mahirapan kung paano mag-isip ng mga content at kung ano yung pwede nyo i-post sa church social media pages nyo. 7-day church content, so para siyang weekly content. Okay, Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sabado, Linggo. Okay, 7 days content. So sa Monday, you can post a picture from your previous Sunday church service, okay, ng kahapon. Pwede nyo siyang i-post ng Monday. Okay, and then sa Tuesday, a pastor reel na pwede nyo i-post sa social media nyo. Pwede nyo i-post na video, okay, reel. To know about making reels sa pastors preaching, from pastor preaching, marami akong mga ginawang mga tutorial dito sa TikTok pages, sa community natin kung paano mag-edit ng mga reels. Madali lang yan, kahit phone lang gamitin nyo. Sa Wednesday, midweek encouragement post na pwedeng basahin ng mga followers nyo and kahit simple graphics lang. And then yung sa caption, you can ask help for ChatGPT to create something encouragement post na pwede nyo i-post sa social media nyo. And maggamitin yung ChatGPT pero i-paraphrase nyo pa din, basahin nyo pa din, gawa pa rin kayo ng sarili nyo caption. Okay? Tinuro ko yan sa social media course about prompt, okay, na kung paano gamitin ng tama ang ChatGPT, okay, and we can use that as tool para mas mapabilis, matulungan tayo when it comes to brainstorming. So sa Thursday, you can post a worship image, clip sa worship, praise and worship nyo, or kahit 30 seconds clip ng behind the scene sa worship nyo. Di ba? Every Sunday may worship, praise and worship yan, and then pwede nyo siyang i-post as image or picture, or pwede nyo i-post as reel. And that will be posted sa Thursday. And then sa Friday, perfect day for announcement para sa church, next Sunday's church service nyo. And then sa Saturday, pwede kayo mag-post ng creative reel from young people na mga videos na ginawa nyo. And I gave 10 content ideas, reference dito sa social community natin na pwede nyong kuhanan ng idea, kuha kayo ng idea, gawin yung reference, pwede nyong gayahin and gawa kayo ng version sa sarili nyo, sa church nyo. And pwede nyo siyang i-post ng Saturday. And then sa Sunday, okay, a reel again from your pastor's preach. And that would nice na makapag-post kayo na kahit isa sa every single day. Okay, so 7 content yon, 7 days yon. And pwede nyo na siyang i-duplicate every week. Keep posting, keep serving, and social media is not just a content, is a ministry. That's why yun yung pangalan ng community natin dito, Church Social Media Ministry. If you guys want this PDF copy nito, you can message me directly. Pero ipopost ko naman siya dito sa description below. Yo guys, hopefully meron kayo natutunan. Pwede nyo tong gawin sa next week na mga church content nyo.
Alright, that's the 7 content ideas that you can able to copy. You can able to use that as reference sa mga susunod na mga posts nyo. And please make a content calendar. If you guys want a ready to use content calendar for your social media, the link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and also maybe leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you on the next video.